So today, this video will be a recap of the destruction of Tengu 1 and the rebuild of Tengu 2. But first, I'm going to run this little video here. What led this? This loss of a Tengu 1, which was around 1.4 billion. So here we go. We're going to roll the clip. And
I'm going to put drones over on you.
it might be a little rough at first here, but voice-wise.
Ain't that neat?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So right now, I've got 8 drones protecting you. Yes.
Oh, that little tiny drone.
Yeah.
No way, kid.
A whole bunch of shields if you really needed it. And it'll follow you around too. And then, if I needed to, then I would, if he was in trouble, I could go like this and give you probably more boosting.
That little kid.
It's going to black out for a bit. It'll come back. It's getting close. Getting real close.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot one of those right now.
At this point, this little button here, if it was green, it would throw up a big thing, and this wouldn't all work, I think. It's been a while. I haven't played, but kind of been playing. But my button here is set to red, which automatically I can fire at anything that I target. But we're doing a shield. I'm boosting him. There's 2 other ships off to the side. These other guys, they're off. They're throwing boosts around. So at this point, this is where it all starts. I already got my button, my fingers on the button already. So I guess I will start playing again here.
You sure?
I was.
This one.
At this point, I didn't see this and that little box that was right there.
Yeah. Is it showing?
I ain't gonna do it for them at all.
Check it out.
2 missiles. Oh, shoot. Let's see. This ain't on.
This fucker's acting up like a trouble child on crack.
Oh shit. I'm gonna move the ship.
Hold. Any situation like this, you remain calm.
Yeah.
Because you might give up a pawn to win the battle, but in this case, this was not supposed to happen. I forgot that this guy, which I don't understand, you're not supposed to fire on another person in another court. Well, this is a fleet, and that should have been okay for me to fire him, but that's not the mechanics of this game. He was in a different corp, so therefore I lost my ship. These guys are like the police in high sec. So If you do anything bad like that, then they come and blow up the ship.
Are they firing on you?
Okay, at this point I'm checking. They're not. I'm gonna fast forward
I
to.
thought 162 million in this cargo holder that took out.
That was what was left. 152 million.
Two heavy assault missile launchers for the day.
So here we signed off, and I forgot to sign off, and I went. It was just all silence. Okay, so stop that. And here's the new Tengu. I got a couple more rigs. The mid slots are all filled. The belows are filled. I got missiles to put in there. Like, oh, okay, I gotta do it. Alright, let's see. The only thing I gotta do is put my rigs in. And here I'm gonna go with. I already bought them. See, and then I got 400, so I got 75 used up right now. Fitting, this is 100. But I can't put this is a medium hydraulic bay thruster. This is a hydraulic thruster 2. That's 150. 225. Well, I'm putting this one on, this one on. 275. Okay, so this is a Tech 1, that's a Tech 1, but it uses these 3 power. It's using a 375, so I got 25 left. Okay, so the fitting is 200. Let's see what a Tech 2 would be. $300. So the difference is 200. I only have 25 to play with right now, so I'll just leave these. Better to put shields up, put more shields on it. Okay. Oh, it's this one's 2.9 billion. Oops. Yeah, what's going on here? Ooh. Into tributes. It's got a 7%. It takes 7% more than petrol. Fitting's 100. Oh, see this, yeah, so drawback of the fitting. Let's see. Oh, right here in the top. Should have read it from the top. Okay, so it increases the CPU requirement of